Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we've got a quick and helpful tutorial for you, especially if you're dealing with the 𝗪𝗵𝘁 security camera. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps on how to reset your 𝗪𝗵𝘁 in 2024. So, if you're having any issues or just need to start fresh, stick around. Step 1. Open Blink app. Open the Blink Home Monitor app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, you can find it on the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Select Camera. Once the app is open, select the camera you want to reset from the list. Make sure it's the 𝗪𝗵𝘁 you're dealing with. Step 3. Go to Camera Settings. Next, navigate to the camera settings. This is usually represented by a gear or settings icon in the app. Step 4. Scroll down to Device Info. Now, scroll down until you find the Device Info option. This is where you'll get the necessary details for the reset. Step 5. Reset Camera. In the Device Info section, look for the option to reset camera or something similar. Different app updates may slightly change the wording, but it should be something along those lines. Step 6. Confirm Reset. Once you've found the reset option, the app will likely ask you to confirm the action. Confirm that you want to reset the camera. Step 7. Wait for reset. Now, patiently wait for the reset process to complete. It may take a minute or two, and during this time, the camera may blink or show some indication of the reset. Step 8. Reconnect. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to reconnect your 𝗪𝗵𝘁 to the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the camera back to your Blink system. Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to reset your 𝗪𝗵𝘁 camera in 2024. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.